Hey guys, today I'm gonna share with you a quick way to make labels that will save you money. I opened up a Word document and created a list of all the things I wanted to label in my laundry and in my kitchen. The font I used is called Bradley Hand. Do keep in mind it's very important that you use a laser printer and not an inkjet printer for this project. Once I printed the labels, I just separated them by cutting them up. If you guys want to see the titles that I use to label in my laundry in my kitchen, I will attach a list of those down below on my page. Alright, once you have all the labels cut up, you just need Scotch tape and you tape it straight on the labels. Now, to make sure that the ink really attaches well to the Scotch tape, you want to use something like a credit card and press that in. This will also help to get rid of any bubbles. Right now you can untape the labels from the table and cut around all the extra sticky part of the tape. Want to add a little bit of warm water and place your labels into the container and let them soak for about 3 minutes. Once that time has passed, you can slowly start rubbing off the paper from the tape. This might take about 30 seconds to a minute per label. You can dip the label back into the water as much as you need so that paper really starts coming off smoothly. Once I finish taking all the paper off, I just put it on the side and let it dry. About 5 minutes later, your labels will dry, so they return back to being sticky. So you can just pick them up and stick them directly onto your containers. You really want to press into there, make sure that there's no bubbles. For my next container, I used this little file box and I printed a vertical label for it, and I just really love how the labels are getting on so easily and they just really blend in so nicely you can't even see the tape. I also thought it'd be kind of fun to add some labels to some of my bottles. This particular bottle, all I did is I just removed the original label from it. It was a little too colorful for the laundry theme that I have going on, so this really helped with that. Alright guys, so here are all the labels that I did today, and I'm absolutely in love with the way it turned out. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you guys like this idea and give it a try, and I will see you guys next time.